Hi, this is Bitupan here. In this video, I'm going to talk about gym versus yoga. Many people do ask which is better, gym or yoga. Even I get a lot of questions about this. But this question is very general. We can't really say which is better because it completely depends on your fitness goals. Now, before I start explaining, let me clarify something. Gym does not necessarily mean bodybuilding or weightlifting. Gym has various purposes. But for convenience sake, let's say we are talking only about bodybuilding. And also, yoga does not necessarily mean just exercise. Yoga is a way of living. It's a big concept. In that, there are 8 limbs of yoga. And yoga asana, which is the exercise, is one part of yoga. That is called yoga asana. But for convenience sake, let's assume that we are talking only about exercise. So, which is better, gym or yoga? Now, this completely depends on your fitness goals. I am going to tell you some of the common fitness goals, but there can be a lot of other fitness goals as well. If your goal is to gain weight or build muscles, then gym is your option, because by yoga you cannot make muscles. So you have to join a gym and lift weight. This is called resistance training. When you lift heavy weights, then you break your muscle fibers, and when these muscle fibers they repair, that is when you build more muscles. And at the same time, not just weightlifting, you also have to eat a lot of proteins. So for muscle building or to gain weight, you have to go to gym, not yoga. So second is, if your goal is general fitness or overall fitness, then you can do yoga. Gym is also good, weightlifting is also good, but yoga is better in terms of general fitness. Third is weight loss, and this is one of the main reasons why people start a fitness plan, because nowadays many people are suffering from weight problem. When it comes to weight loss, you have to join a gym, not yoga. I'm not saying yoga is bad for weight loss. Yoga also helps, but for faster results, you have to join a gym. Because in gym, if you do resistance training, that helps a lot in reducing your body's weight, because you burn a lot of fats in the gym. While trying to build muscles, you actually burn a lot of fats. But again, I'm saying that yoga is also good, but for faster results, you have to join a gym. Fourth fitness goal, if your goal is to feel good and feel energetic, then you have to do yoga, not gym. Because gym does not serve the purpose if you just want to feel good. You have to do a lot of stretching and you have to learn yoga. Yoga helps in feeling good, because it's not just about your physical health. Yoga also helps in your mental health. So if you want to just feel good and feel energetic, then do yoga. And being energetic and being stronger are both different. I'm not talking about being stronger. For being stronger, you have to join a gym and make muscles. That is when you get stronger. But being energetic is different. Energetic means you feel energetic from inside, whether you are a very thin person or you are a very fat person or you are a muscular person. You have to feel energetic from inside. For that, you have to do yoga. Fifth fitness goal can be giving a shape to the body. It's not exactly muscle building, but you want to make a good shape for your body. Let's say, for example, your shoulders may be very small or your thighs may be very thin, for which your structure does not look good. In that case, you have to do muscle building so that you give a proper shape to the body. So to give shape to the body, you have to join a gym. Yoga also helps in giving shape to the body, but the purpose of yoga is actually much more than just giving a proper shape to the body. So for shape of the body, gym, not yoga. Sixth fitness goal is flexibility. So for body's flexibility, you have to do yoga, not gym. Yoga helps the body a lot in being flexible. Let's say your body feels very lethargic when you have to twist your body or you have to bend down to pick up something. So in that case, if your body is not very flexible, to make it flexible, you have to do yoga, not gym. So this way, there can be a lot of other fitness goals also. That's why I said, so to answer the question whether gym is good or yoga, it depends completely on your fitness goal. So these are the 6 common fitness goals that I have told you. If you want to do both yoga and gym, then you can even do that, and I recommend that. So in that case, what you can do is, instead of joining a yoga studio as well as a gym, what you can do is you can learn yoga online, because for yoga you don't really need any instruments, or you don't really need any weights, but for gym you need the heavy weights. So you cannot really learn bodybuilding online. For bodybuilding you need a physical gym, but for yoga you can learn from home. So I would recommend, in that case, if you feel that you need both, then take online yoga classes and join a gym and do alternate days. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then do subscribe and hit the like button. And also, if you have any questions regarding yoga, meditation, or physical fitness, then you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply to you. See you. Bye bye.